Greetings! Welcome to the new paradigm vortex of awesomeness where everything is done in epic proportions. So right now, I'm cooking a big meal for the whole community. It's pouring rain for the first time in a long time, which is nice. And I have to start this fire. No gasoline. Only salvaged materials. These are all pieces of paper saved from the landfill. Gotta try to get them to not be wet because, as you know, without gasoline, starting a fire with wet stuff is almost impossible. But wager your bets. I know what my bet is. I got some paper there, salvaged from the trash. I got some weeds. Few weeds. You got to make sure it's not wet, but you also got to make sure it gets air. So I got to fluff it up. Got to do it fast because it's raining. Things are getting wet. Oh yeah, things are wet. Even for me, this is a little difficult. Okay, I think hopefully I got it. So now, that was pretty difficult. We'll see. I just gotta get enough critical mass before I can throw on bigger sticks. Come on, baby. There we go. Come on, baby. start. Everything is wet. Come on. Here we are, it's pouring rain, and we've had 100-degree plus temperatures with no rain for 4 months. Now all of a sudden it's pouring. However, I have people to feed, I have food to cook, and I've just been battling this. This is one of the harder fires I've had to make in my lifetime. However, whoa baby, I did it. I got it going, we got critical mass here. You can see the water is just completely drenching the whole thing, but it's steaming, and I've got enough critical mass now. Finally, it took like 10-15 minutes, but I've got enough critical mass to where I've got enough fire to deal with all the water, and to deal with burning wet wood and drying out the wet wood. I'm completely soaking wet, you know, well that's cool. Fashion and function, baby. Fashion and function. So, I got a lot to do here. I got food to cook. I got to keep this fire going. It's going to be kind of difficult. But I'm pretty sure I'll get it done. I'll tune back in here in a minute. I always win. Success as usual. Wasn't as easy as usual, but success as usual. Look at this. In pouring rain. No lighter fluid, no coal, nothing paid for, including all of this food. Not a single one of these things were paid for. All harvested, all traded for, all grown, all something. Not a single one of these things were paid for with any monetary currencies whatsoever. Just consciousness, focus, dedication, commitment, love, passion, confidence. And that's the way it is. That's a lot of food right there, and it's going to feed a lot of people, as I do every day. Every day it's like this. Anyways, I gotta go. This is a little complicated. Cheers. Bless.